Before using the device, we need to add water. For water filling, use about 10-12 L of purified or distilled water. Before transport, always drain the water. Refill again after setup. During filling, identify the water inlet. Also note the pedal and power cable ports. When adding water, use a funnel. Open the water inlet and also open the overflow port. This is the overflow port. Always use a funnel so you can see water flow clearly. Avoid direct pouring. Since the black inlet makes water invisible, it may easily overflow. So always use a funnel. Insert funnel and pour water in, or connect a tube like a water dispenser. This way you can observe water flow. Fill until water comes out of overflow. That means it's full. Fill 8-12 L is needed. Once overflow comes out, stop filling. Keep both ports open while filling. Overflow water. Tank is full. If overfilled, drain 2 to 5 cups from drain port. To empty water, open all 3 ports. Water drains until empty. Then lift the front handle slightly to tilt, so the remaining water flows out. That completes water filling and draining. After installation, first prepare black paper for testing. It should be clean, no oil, no film. Set medium-high energy for test shots. If no test paper, use magazines with dark areas. Like ads, menus, or black print, even hair images. Next, confirm the guide arm is installed. Set spot size to medium-large, e.g. 6 or 7 minute with slow frequency. Fire a few test shots to check accuracy. If the spot is round and clear, it's correct. If rings uneven or oval, then the guide arm is not installed properly. Stop shooting and reinstall the guide arm. After reinstallation, test again.